Hey, boys and girls, we are going to go as fast as we can with this activity. We're going to try to see if we can do it in 20 seconds or less. That means if we can do it in 20 seconds or less, then we have automaticity. That means we really know these letters and their sounds. So the first time we go through this, we are only going to say the sounds, not the letter name, just the sounds that these letters make. Are you ready? On your mark, try to stay up with me. Go. B, qu, f, t, a, e, I, a, t, x, y, n, m, g, I, d, s. Did we do it? Did we do it in 20 seconds or less? I hope somebody had their timer out. Try to do this one more time with me. We're going to say the sounds that these letters make, not their name, the sounds that they make. On your mark, get set, go. B, qu, f, t, a, e, I, a, t, x, y, n, g, I, d, s. Did you beat me? I hope you did. That was great fun. We'll see you next time.